If your game feels choppy, even though your counter shows high numbers, you need a serious FPS boost. Right now, hidden Windows settings are choking your RAM channels and creating massive input lag. In less than 5 minutes, we are permanently wiping them out. Let's fix it. First, hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open your task manager, go to Performance and click on Memory. Look at the bar labeled Cached. Windows tells you this RAM is free, but it's actually clogged up with garbage data from apps you closed hours ago. When you launch a competitive game, Windows doesn't clear this fast enough. This causes sudden micro-stutters right in the middle of your fights. To get an instant FPS boost, we are going to force Windows to clear it. First, press your Windows key, type Graphics Settings, and hit Enter. Windows has a hidden hardware instruction feature that is turned off by default on millions of PCs, causing massive processing bottlenecks between your CPU and graphics card. Look at the top under Default Settings. You will see an option named Change Default Graphics Settings Center. Then look for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Turn this toggle switch to On. This offloads high-priority memory management tasks from your CPU directly to your GPU's dedicated VRAM channels, giving you an instant FPS boost and heavily reducing input delay in fast-paced competitive games. Next, look at the left sidebar, or press your Windows key again and type Game Mode Settings. Open it. Make sure Game Mode is toggled completely to On. When this is active, Windows completely reprioritizes your system resources the exact millisecond a game goes full screen. It forces background Windows updates, telemetry services, and random driver notifications to completely freeze, dedicating 100% of your hardware threads to keeping your frame times perfectly flat. Next, we need to stop Windows from constantly compressing your system files in the background while you are actively gaming. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll down until you find a service named SysMain. Its job is to preload apps you rarely use straight into your background memory. For gamers, this service constantly consumes CPU cycles and forces heavy RAM compression right when your system needs maximum focus. Right-click on SysMain and select Properties. Change the startup type drop-down menu from automatic to disabled. Then click the Stop button to kill the service immediately. Hit Apply, click OK, and close the panel. You've just stopped a massive background process from stealing your performance. The final step is optimizing your virtual memory page file. By default, Windows writes system data onto your storage drive like it's extra RAM, but it does it poorly, leading to massive disk spikes and game hitching. Press the Windows key, type Advanced System Settings, and open it. Under the Advanced tab, click Settings under the Performance section. Go to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. By default, Automatically Manage Paging File Size is checked. Uncheck it, select your fastest SSD drive from the list, click on Custom Size. We are going to set a fixed size to stop Windows from constantly resizing this file during gameplay. If you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, set both the initial and maximum size to 16,384. If you have 32 gigabytes of RAM, set both to 32,768. This locks the file size, forcing Windows to use your ultra-fast physical RAM channels efficiently instead of lagging out your storage drive. Click Set, then click OK, and apply the changes. You will need to reboot your PC after the video for this to take effect. Your system memory is now fully optimized for zero lag, but your RAM is only half the battle. If you want to eliminate the hidden cache files that are actively destroying your registry and frame pacing right now, click on this video right here, where I break down the exact step-by-step layout to wipe them out completely. See you there.